people, where we ride donkey and deliver tarpaulin to the people. Easy, baby. That's what we're doing. Big up all our donors. Big up Lisa and friends and family. One Kilmarnock. Oh. Hey, stay straight. Hey, donkey, no food. This is hungry donkey. Hey, boy, come. All right. Come now. Ain't hungry. Greedy donkey. Come, let's go deliver the tarpaulin. Let's go. One more ride. Yeah, this is good. Come. Hello. All right. That's it, baby. Good donkey.
You come from up top?
Yes, lady.
You don't drop off some tarpaulin?
Some tarpaulin in Kilmarnock. Sometimes, by all means necessary, we have to help the people. You understand?
I understood.
Oh, when I saw you know, Doris. Come. Turn your little body that way. Yeah. Doris, turn. Mr. Turn, donkey. Go.